I'm the host of Random Life Productions. Today I'm filming on the Osmo Action. I'm in 4K, 24 frames a second. Rocksteady is on and it works in this. I've also got a front-facing screen. Now, the GoPro Hero 8 has come out this week. Starting price £379. If you want the full GoPro experience with the vlog now, you have to pay about an extra £160 to get the medium mod, which is the medium mod, and then another £80 for the monitor. I think that might be a bit of a pricey option. And is that upgrade really worth it? Well, on the GoPro you get Rocksteady at 4K, or their appropriate Hypersmooth, I think they called it, Hypersmooth 2.0 on all levels of filmmaking up to 4K 60. You also get an improvement in, I think, slow-mo, and you get the Night Lapse mode on it. So there's quite a few upgrades in the GoPro. However, is it worth the extra 500 quid, or could I mod up the Osmo Action? I think you can mod up the Osmo Action. Things I like about the GoPro Hero 8 though is now you can live stream at 1080p, which I think is a fantastic bit of kit. Can't live stream on the Osmo Action, I wish they'd bring that in. And also this Night Lapse thing, that Night Lapse thing looks absolutely fantastic. So you can, instead of having 100 different photographs or having any complicated settings, you can do Night Lapse, which I think is amazing. And also you can do sort of time lapses, but you can stop them and do like speed ramping, which is another cool thing. But you can do that actually in post. So I don't know, is it worth a £500 price? Like, is it worth me going out and spending £500 to get that rig? Or do I keep the cameras that I've got already, wait a few months and then get something different, like maybe a better lens? Or I'm looking out for a camera, so another the DSLR camera or full frame camera to actually do some more vlogs. So those are the questions I'm asking myself right now. Osmo Action, keep? Or should I purchase the GoPro Hero 8 at $379, $500 with all the mods attached? 4K, 24 frames per second by Brighton Beach. So I think, and I kind of got the shutter speed on this at about 1 to 400 because I don't have the ND filters with me. I don't have ND filters for this camera. As far as the user interface is going, I don't know if I prefer the Osmo Action to the GoPro. I definitely think the quality of the mic might be better. It depends how close you are when you talk. So yeah, I like this little Osmo Action. But I'm still tempted by that Hero 8, that Night Lapse. If they put Night Lapse in the Osmo Action and a few other improvements, I think the Osmo Action might be a little camera to watch out for.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I love, if I change the way I love, if I change, yeah. If I change the way I love. If I change the way I love.